So we're gonna season this with the border from Whiskey Bent Barbecue and some of my barbecue glitter. We have a bone-in Boston butt. My prep on a Boston butt is non-existent. We don't need to do anything on this. One thing I definitely like to do on the pork butt, I like to score the fat cap. I like to do it. It's not needed. Like how it looks. Like that these little pieces get crispy into some little nuggets, and you can taste them throughout the meat when it's cooked, because we're gonna shred it all together. We're not gonna use this to lift, we're just gonna use it to stabilize. Uh-oh, forgot the binder. Please bear with me with the glitter right afterwards. The barbecue glitter is that heavy salt and pepper blend where it's going to give that meat some texture, the bark some texture. I love how it looks with it. Woo. None of these rubs have sugar in it. No? Yeah, no sugar. The border is a Tex-Mex rub from Whiskey Bent. Today I'm doing beef cheeks, so I'm gonna use my Blaxican on the beef cheeks. We don't need to put the beef cheeks until a little bit later. But the binder holds more seasoning on. How? How? Doesn't. The binder makes a mess. You know, when I just started to learn how to barbecue, I always wondered, why does everything need to taste like mustard? Yes, you can taste it. You absolutely can. If you can't, I don't trust you, dog. I don't trust you to cook for me. And this just came straight out of the refrigerator. I didn't let it sit out at room temp. Don't need to do that. And make sure you season your pork butt heavy, but you don't need to let it sit out. If you put the meat in cold, it's gonna take in more smoke. So our smoker, seems like our char logs are lit. We're gonna go shut that down. So now we're gonna add a few wood chunks right around, and then we're gonna shut this down and allow it to come up to temp. So our deflector and our grates. Wide open intake, wide open exhaust. See what it do.